So let's search for something. So it's searching local knowledge base. It found the results, 5 peeled Thai shrimps. So let's see here, 5 peeled Thai shrimps. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Welcome to Part 2 of OpenAI's latest release, where they've added file search. Part 1, we saw how to set up the RAG management mechanism where we create the vector store. We saw what it takes to create a vector store in OpenAI, how we can upload files to it, and add files to the vector store. So that now the vector store is ready to be used as RAG, and OpenAI calls this file_search. So that is what we are going to see, where we need to specify this. So this is one tool which we have seen in our previous video, how to add web search into our OpenAI Responses API. Now what we are going to see is how to add file search, so which will give a perfect companion RAG mechanism with vector store. So we don't need to worry about any third-party service provider like vector store provider. So we don't need to worry about chunking and embedding. Everything is done by OpenAI. So personally, I prefer OpenAI when compared to other mechanisms. So all the code that you need to run this is given in the description. All you need to do is to git clone and Docker compose up. We will see the command. So let's first see the demo. So here we have the application running, and vector store name is Thai recipes. There is one Thai recipes PDF added to it. Okay. If you look at the vector stores, you will find Thai recipes is there in OpenAI, and the files attached contains the PDF. Okay. Remember, this is a paid service. Okay, so this is the Thai recipe PDF that I have uploaded. It is a small PDF containing 14 pages. Okay, so let's search for something. So it's searching local knowledge base. It found the results, 5 peeled Thai shrimps. So let's see here, 5 peeled Thai shrimps, 80 grams of long beans. Okay, so it's able to fetch the information from the PDF. See, the thing is, without using any other library, all that you need to include is OpenAI. Let's look at the code. So the functions I mentioned in the previous videos are all to manage the left sidebar, vector store, and uploading of PDFs. So this is the interesting part where we are focusing on, and this is where we are calling the new API, launched just 2 days back. Okay, so new API, and the new API allows us to specify tools. Okay, so I am making the tools configurable. So initially what I'm doing is I'm initializing an empty array. You will not find similar code elsewhere. So this is a way of adding tools and allowing a mechanism to choose the tools that you want. So here, web search, which is still a preview, which was launched day first today, web_search_preview we are adding. So without needing to use DuckDuckGo search or any third-party library for web search. Just by adding this into tools section, you are allowing web search into your queries. So that greatly simplifies. And also we don't need to worry about the quality of this web search. Okay, so then what we are doing here is, since vector store is something that gets created with user interaction, initial run of the application, this may not be there. So in that case, we execute this part only if the vector store ID is populated. So if it populates, it will come here and it will append this also to this tools. So tool has, first tool as web search preview, next tool is file search. See this file search. This is our RAG. Okay, so embedding, which means chunking, embeddings, similarity search, etc. We don't need to do, or we don't need to worry about it at all. And then here we are passing the vector store ID from the session. That is it. So the tool has been populated with the list item, which are web search preview and file search. Then we are here, and here we are adding the tool. Here our query is passed. So the LLM will decide when to use RAG. Accordingly, it will use the RAG and give us the information. So let's now ask, can you tell me the latest Thai news? Okay, so here are some of the latest developments in Thailand. So it's able to get the latest information using the web search. Okay, I hope these are latest information. Okay, so that is it. So we have a completely OpenAI based chat system with RAG and web search. So latest OpenAI Responses API tools, file search and web search we have covered. So how to run this application? You need to git clone the repo URL is in the description. After that, you will get this Techie Talks AI folder, cd into OpenAI responses 00-plain, and then you just do docker compose up app-st. This is a special docker compose that I have created, which can run command line Python applications as well as Streamlit application. So that makes it handy without having to install any Python libraries locally using pip, etc. Everything is taken care within the Docker environment. You need to have Docker, of course. When you restart, application is ready. Okay, so vector store files are there, and we saw how easily we can update the vector store. See, currently it has one file attached. Let's add one more file, which we demonstrated in the last video. So Thai recipes v2. Click on process PDF. So you have a fully working, ready to use RAG system available for you to access. Okay, so that is uploaded. If you see here, second file also has come, and if you look at the vector store, you will find the second file also there. Let's delete, because this is a paid service. We don't need to use it if you don't want. So remember to delete all the unwanted vector store and keep the OpenAI storage section clean and trim, so that you won't incur unnecessary charges. So that is it for this video. Thank you for your time. Remember, all our videos are like this practical demonstration with downloadable ready to use code given in the description, so that you can build such mechanisms and showcase and demonstrate it to your AI clients. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.